As a powder coating entrepreneur and sole provider, where would you be if something suddenly happened to you? Would your family or employees be able to carry on? Could your business survive or would it just shutter? This next episode hits home personally as we were suddenly thrust into uncertainty, overwhelm, and then burnout in 2022. If you're like us, we can't catch a break, plan the next move, or even make time for ourselves and family. Now, only 8 weeks into the new year, and we haven't begun to set goals, let alone implement. One thing about today's topic that's true: you cannot outsource your head, heart, health, or soul. Joining me are two very special guests, Ben and Jerry. No, not Vermont's finest. These guys are Australia's finest. They're serving up a fresh perspective better than ice cream. Benny Hassam from SS Powder Coating Queensland has 18 years experience in the biz and the finest finishes south of the equator. If you don't follow his Instagram, you should. Their work is impeccable and will inspire you. Jared McCarthy, a rapid results coach, will get you unstuck and goal setting with better clarity, starting with 3 truisms about yourself. His practical approach can help the busiest people get started in just a few minutes a day. Today's show is a different format as Benny and I actually go through the steps to goal setting. Who's going to be your accountability partner? We present this episode without commercial interruption because the lessons and concepts covered within are so important to grasp. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.